Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to send Tally form responses to Google Sheets automatically. We have the link to Tally in the description below so you can get a head start after you've learned this new tip. So, if you'd like to send Tally form responses, the first thing you'll need to do is to select the form you'd like to have. So we're going to click on our Happy Day Tours form A. And once you click on it, you want to make sure to go to the Integrations tab. There are about 5 tabs right here. So click on Integrations, and then you have Google Sheet already first. So we're going to click Connect. So the next thing to do, of course, is to connect with Google Sheets. You need to connect your Google Sheets to your Tally, and you need to log in to Google. And of course, you can see here, send your Tally form responses straight to Google Sheets. We're going to click Log into Google and choose a Google account if you have a list of Google accounts or sign in. Great. So now we've been able to select the Google account, as you can see right here under the Select Google Account option. And then if you'd like to, of course, connect a new account, you can go ahead and do that. If you're having any issues, you can click on Reconnect. The first thing, however, is to write your connection name. So this is an optional name you can use to describe what the integration is used for. So you could just say collecting responses from Tally. So because this is a first form, we're not being super descriptive, but if you have multiple forms from Tally, you need to be specific so you don't have multiple form responses from Tally and you don't know which you're looking at. Then here you can see select spreadsheet, create new spreadsheet, or of course, if you have a spreadsheet already, you can go ahead and browse your Google Drive to select that specific one. And then of course, if you have existing submissions, you can toggle this on in order for Google Forms to get the existing responses from forms that were filled before the moment you connected it with Google Sheets. Why is this important? Now, if you created your form already and you had some responses, you definitely need to ask Tally to send them over to Google Sheets. But if it's a new form, you might not need this, so you can go ahead and decide what applies to you. Next, of course, you want to click Connect with Google Sheets. And there you have it, collecting responses from Tally. Submissions are synced with this spreadsheet. So this is a hyperlink, and once you click on it, it's going to take you to your Google Sheet where you can find the responses from the form which we're looking at. Happy Day Tours Form A. If you'd like to do this for other forms, follow the steps we've highlighted in this video and you get the same result. Easy, neat, and fast. We have the link to Tally in the description below so you can go ahead and do this by yourself. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.